Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am going to tell you about how to fix hanging problem in your OPPO smartphone. So friends, let's fix it. So friends, if you are firstly charging your smartphone while playing games, it will definitely harm your battery and damage your battery. So first, avoid these type of things. Charge with your phone with the original adapter of your OPPO smartphone only, and then you have to clean up your storage first. If you have not cleaned up, just clean up all the unwanted applications, images, photos, documents, audios, downloads, everything. Just delete them if it is not useful, or you can transfer it from to your SD card or another storage. Then friends, you have to just do a software update. If you have not updated your software, just do it, and then you have to restart your device. Then your hanging problem will be fixed. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.